Hello and good morning. This is a simple tutorial for LegalClock extension out there on Chrome. It's a completely free tool for lawyers, attorneys out there. The data is stored 100% locally on your device. Nothing is shared with anyone. Even you don't require any account sign up or any stuff. Once you activated the extension, you would be able to see it over here, just like I can see few of them out here. Just make sure to pin it so that it shows you out here, and whenever it's active you would know. So once you click on it, you can see it's ready to be started. There are three things which you need to do. First is quite important. Just go into the settings and put your hourly rate, your daily target, and the weekly target based on the hours and the dollar amount, whatever you want to add. It's just a one time and you can save it. That way the report function will start working it and you would know how much you are missing daily, monthly, or weekly. Now coming on the main one where you will spend most of your time is the timer. This is where you're gonna add the client name, the note, just in case if you have, or even if you forgot, then no worry. You can always re-enter it once it leaves. Once you stop and log, it comes over here, so you can always edit it and just add the note out here, like dog review, and save it. So that way you would have multiple entries out here. Please note the minimum 5 seconds is required over here once you started to save it over here, and you can save up to 15,000 entries over here. Always you can export today's log or the weekly's log in the CSV file or all your data by, just in case if you want to reset after 15 or 16,000 entries, which is quite a long range. And the reason being is the extension itself is not being hosted on somewhere, like it's saving all the data on your local device. So once you reset it, it will give you the option over here. You can download it and it will look like something very simple with the date, start, end time, client name, note, duration, hours, and the bill amount. It's quite simple. You can always add it into your case management software like My Case or any other which you use. So this is quite simple. Have a try and let me know. Just in case if you need any help, just go on team@, just write us at team@vacmedia.com. It's a free tool. We help law firms with the CRM basically, and it's just not a promotional though. I don't want to make it, so I will let you know. You can explore it just in case if you want to, or else it's completely free. No data is stored and it completely lives under your system. Please note, once the history is deleted on your Chrome, then the data will be deleted from here. So just in case in version 2, if you required the online sign up or something else, we can try. But this is version 1. Have a try. Thank you.